Hi, Tech in Talk. Today we are going to see how we can add button in ReactJS and add click event handler on that. For that one, I will be using the ReactJS template. So currently you can see the default view of that template, though I have changed that view a bit. Let's say I just add hi inside my paragraph and press Ctrl S. You can see it's updated now. So to work with that, to implement that, I would like to open the same view inside my VS Code. To do that, you need to go to File. To implement that, you need to go to the View command panel and just type simple browser show and just click on that and copy paste your React app page. So you can see now that page is now visible, and to open that side by side, just drag that view into separate section. Now you can see the both views are in the same. I can see both the code and the UI. As soon as I make changes into my code, I can see those changes are reflecting inside my web page. Okay, let me try to add now a button. Let me clean that code a bit and let's add a button with text click me. You can see that button now, and how we can implement the click method on that. For that one, you can write on click and it will require a handler. For that one, I would like to add on button click here because there is no such method at the moment, so we need to define that here before return keyword const on button click. And I would like to add a function, and here in this function I can add alert and we'll probably say hi. So now as soon as I click on this, I would eventually be seeing the hi alert. You can see now the hi is visible. So this is how you can add a button and add a click handler with that. This is going to be a series for the beginner level developers on React.js. So for more tips and tricks, keep watching and subscribe to my channel and keep coding.